Come to Target with me. I really only need 3 things, but we're gonna see how many things we end up with. Let's take a moment to check out this makeup. 51 years old, no filter. What do you think of this primer I used? Is there a difference? I don't think you can see my pores. Laura Geller sent me their Spackle primer, which is geared for women over 40, which is kind of cool. I think it's pretty good. And a new blush. It's almost like a watercolor situation. You know, I'm not a product girly, so this is all a learning process for me. But you put on the primer and then the rest of your makeup. Oh, what do we think? Now let's see how quickly we can get out of here. And if we can get out of here for less than $200, that's a win. $77. Look at me, bargain shopper.